Hello everyone, it's Mark Dickinson, and in this video I'm going to show you a really cool outsourcing trick on how to get your videos done. Now this works really well because you're having an actual person in front of the camera talking about the product. So what you're going to want to do is come over to video and animation, testimonials and reviews by actors. And there's a lot of people doing this, so just scroll through here and look for somebody that looks professional, because you just want a normal somebody talking into the camera. You don't want anything goofy or hyped up, just a normal person. So what I recommend doing is going through here and looking for somebody that looks professional. And honestly, for most products, I'd recommend going with a female. It just seems to convert better that way. So I don't want to get into all the reasons why, but it just comes across as more trustworthy. Now you want to make sure that the person, when you send them over the instructions, just say, "Hey, look, I just want you laid back. Don't hype up the product." And you're going to give them about a 60 to 70 word script. The videos will be about a minute, sometimes 2 minutes, depending on who you're dealing with. And so what you can do if you just made a slideshow is take out your slideshow and give the talking points into like put those on a text file and give them that as a script. Okay, so basically that way you're going to have 2 videos now. Or you can take the talking points off your the main points off the screencast video and do that. Or you can just if you totally want to outsource everything, which again I recommend you get to that point, just come over here and find a person to do your videos. Okay, so once you get the video back, remember I was telling you about that slide, that the call to action slide? I recommend putting that. Now tell them to make sure you tell them to click the link below and have them point down towards the bottom of the screen to get a free bottle of breast actives or whatever the offer is. Okay, so you want them to do the call to action, but again, I also recommend inserting that call to action slide at the end of the video, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so let's just say that so we got our video back from the actor or actress, and so now what we're going to do in order to put a call to action at the end of the video, just open up your openoffice.org in Press, and we're just going to make a slide with a call to action and make it as a image. Okay. So I'm going to click on Center Text. Okay. I'm going to make the text red. It's just red stands out. I'm going to increase the font a little bit. And then I would have my downward arrow in here. And again, a lot of people, they'll you can get something more fancy than this by hiring a graphic designer. Probably shouldn't cost you more than $10-15, but I like simple, and this is simple. So then we're going to come over here and click on File, Export, and we're going to come here and choose our format. Click on PNG, and then click Save. I'll just call that 1, and click OK. So what that's going to do is it's going to make it an image, and then we can sneak that into Windows Movie Maker, which most computers will come for free. Okay, so I'm in Windows Movie Maker here, and this is a free software. It should already be on your computer. If you have a Mac, I don't know how to use a Mac. I don't have one, but I'm sure they have similar software. I think it's called Keynote that works pretty much the same. So let's just say this is my breast actives video I just made. I'm going to bring that on over. Okay, so you just drag and drop your image in here, and I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to come up here and put 30 seconds in there, and see that'll extend it out 30 seconds. Save movie as. Recommended for this project is what I normally do. And we're going to name this breast actives. Very important. Please, please, please. I know that's YouTube 101, but as I mentioned in a previous video, if you don't do that, it's going to make ranking a lot harder. Okay. Then you just save it and then upload it to YouTube. And I'm going to show you how to do all that in the next video.